The worst feeling when I want to cry out loud but can't cry. The thing that always makes me smile now makes me cry. The biggest regret of my life is falling in love. You broke my heart and I don't know how to live with my broken heart. It hurts when you see others like this because I want you to only to see me like this. I felt that when I was sad you would be with me, but now you are nowhere. My fear came true. After all, you left me for someone. It hurts so much when you start trusting others more than yourself and they leave you when you need them most. You never cared about my feelings, that's why you are bored with me now, so you left me. The worst feeling when I was without you because you are the person who makes me feel special. Everyone said that when you fall in love it feels great, but nobody said that it may hurt you equally. I am not well, I am broken, I want to cry. I never thought that our relationship is so weak, just simple misunderstanding is enough to destroy it. The moment you left me, I realized how empty I am without you. I know you won't come back, but my emotions are not letting me to accept that. You are living the plans that we made for our future with someone else. A broken heart is not that will stop the time on this earth, so keep moving no matter in what shape your heart is in. One day they realized they lost a diamond while playing with a worthless stones. Something that holding on makes us strong, but sometimes it letting go.